of our room in Radisson Blue, Chile. This is our second day staying here in regards of the visiting the doctor and the hospital. I'm going to do a surgery for my hand, which is broken when I was in the Torres del Paine. Here is the room. It's quite spacious. A lot of things that you could put on the table. A huge TV, 60-inch screen, I think. And too bad that I don't like this hotel is in the night time. The light is very dim. No extra bright light. Only in the bathroom is better. It's quite bright though, but in the bedroom is so dark in the night time. That's why I cannot take a video. Okay, I will show you the lobby later. So this is when in the night time it's a little bit dim, right? I get brighter.